Flyer is one of the pioneers of e-bikes.
The experience of an e-bike is fantastic. It sure is nice on those days when you're a little bit less motivated, or when it's raining, or when you have to stop and buy groceries on the way home.
What we see is unbelievable growth in market. And from our estimation, at least the next 10 years, it will be around 10% growth in average. The reason is the magic of the product. It is so fun. And if something is so fun, people love it. And of course, they want to combine fun with high quality. And then we need all the products giving high quality. And this is now coming up from all specialists, and Gates is such a specialist.
Gates is excited to be part of the e-bike industry and really to push it forward into the 21st century, because e-bikes are a real modern transportation solution. They're really driving this whole personal mobility revolution we're seeing around the world. Gates Carbon Drive is a belt drive system designed for bicycles. Gates makes the belt, which is called Carbon Drive because it has carbon fiber cords, which give it its real high strength. Gates also makes the sprockets, or the pulleys, which the belt revolves around. And so it's a real nice system for bicycle manufacturers, a real plug-and-play solution. And it really shows how Gates, application engineers, can study an industry and really develop a complete drivetrain solution to meet the needs of that industry.
One nice point about the carbon drive system is that it's really a low-maintenance system. It lasts seemingly forever, much longer lifespan than a chain, doesn't need to be lubricated. It's nice for the touring rider, it's quiet.
Our users are not bike mechanics. So from that point of view, the comfort we give to the people is immediate.
It's exciting to work with Flyer bikes because they're a real innovator. They're designing modern electric bikes with beautifully integrated componentry that are just marvels of modern engineering.